What's up everyone? It's your boy Graham Stephan, and let's be real, who doesn't want to make some extra cash online? And no, I'm not talking about those get-rich-quick schemes you see all over the internet. I'm talking about legit ways to generate income online without spending a single dollar up front. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 easy methods you can start using today to put more money in your pocket. We're talking freelancing, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, content creation, and even online surveys. So, whether you're a student looking for a side hustle, someone in between jobs, or just want to diversify your income streams, this video is for you. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'm sharing some bonus tips that will give you an edge in the online money-making game. Let's get it. Freelancing is like the Wild West of online work. You've got the freedom to choose your clients, set your rates, and work from anywhere in the world. The best part? You can leverage your existing skills without needing any fancy degrees or certifications. Are you a writing whiz? Offer your services as a freelance writer or editor? Got an eye for design? Become a freelance graphic designer? The possibilities are endless. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Guru connect freelancers with clients from all over the globe. Creating a profile is completely free, and you can start browsing through job postings right away. When crafting your profile, highlight your skills, experience, and any relevant portfolio pieces. Remember, first impressions matter, so make sure your profile stands out from the crowd. Don't be afraid to set your rates competitively. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your prices. Freelancing is all about building a reputation for quality work and reliability. Deliver exceptional results, communicate effectively with your clients, and watch your freelance career flourish. Imagine creating a product once and selling it over and over again without any additional effort. That's the beauty of digital products. From ebooks and online courses to templates and stock photos, the options are endless. Think about your skills and knowledge. What can you teach others? What problems can you help them solve? Once you have an idea, it's time to package your knowledge into a digital product. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it incredibly easy to create, market, and sell your digital creations. You can set your prices, run promotions, and even build an email list to connect with your audience. The key to success with digital products is to provide real value to your customers. Create high-quality content that is well-structured, informative, and engaging. Don't be afraid to promote your products on social media, forums, and other online communities where your target audience hangs out. Remember, the more people you reach, the higher your chances of making sales. Affiliate marketing is like being the cool friend who always knows about the best deals and products. You recommend products you love to your audience, and when they make a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't have to create your own products or handle any customer service. It's a win-win situation for both you and the brands you partner with. To get started, join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. These platforms connect you with thousands of merchants offering affiliate programs. Once you're approved for a program, you'll get access to your unique affiliate links and marketing materials. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to be authentic and transparent. Only recommend products you genuinely believe in and that would benefit your audience. Focus on providing valuable content that educates your audience and helps them make informed purchasing decisions. Remember, building trust is crucial in affiliate marketing. Do you have a knack for creating engaging videos, writing captivating blog posts, or snapping stunning photos? If so, content creation might be your ticket to online income. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok have opened up a world of opportunities for creators to monetize their content. Whether it's through ad revenue, brand deals, or selling merchandise, there are multiple ways to turn your passion into profit. The key to success in content creation is consistency and quality. Consistently create and share high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and build a community around your content. As your audience grows, so do your opportunities for monetization. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats and platforms to find what works best for you. Remember, building a loyal following takes time and effort, but the rewards can be substantial. Let's face it, not every online money-making opportunity has to be glamorous or require specialized skills. Sometimes it's about keeping it simple and earning while you chill. That's where online surveys and microtasks come in. Platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk allow you to earn rewards for completing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, or completing microtasks. While you won't get rich quick with these methods, they can be a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. The key is to manage your expectations and choose platforms that are reputable and offer fair rewards. Sign up for multiple platforms to maximize your earning potential. Treat it like a fun side hustle, and you'll be surprised how quickly those rewards can add up. There you have it. 5 easy ways to start making money online without any investment. Remember, the internet is your oyster, and the possibilities are endless. Whether you choose to freelance, sell digital products, dive into affiliate marketing, become a content creator, or keep it simple with surveys and tasks, the most important step is to take action. No investment needed, just your time and effort. So, what are you waiting for? Choose a method that resonates with you, take that first step, and start building your online income stream today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep hustling and stay financially savvy.